Gina is showing a new hire around her new job. And in the break room, she says, make sure that you never go into anybody else's bag. You won't believe what happened last week. Lou, Oriental gal Lou, someone went into her bag and she was yelling and screaming. It was a liver. For a Kennedy, she was going to drop off after work. And she says, so she works at a hospital, moonlighting and such. And she said, no, that's the really spooky part about it. She's also got some enemy Chinese combatants other than her on American soil. Lou does.